Hello guys, here we have an INFINIX Hot 20i, and today I will show you how you can enable Incognito Mode on the 4 most popular web browsers in the Play Store. So we start from the Opera. In Opera it's very simple, just open the taskbar icon, go to the private and click plus to add a tab. That's it. Next is Firefox. In the Firefox, just click here on this little zero mask, but if you have any tab before, just click here and just click on the taskbar icon and go here, then click on the plus. Next is Microsoft Edge. In the same way like in the previous, just click on the taskbar icon and go to the private, then click plus. And the last one, Google Chrome. Just click here on this three-dot icon and go to the new Incognito tab. And that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.